Hi and welcome to another Watch Geek video. Today we're taking a closer look at a debut model of a Hong Kong-based brand called the ROIH watches, where ROIH stands for Roots of Industrial Heritage. They're launching on Kickstarter with their first model called Shek-o-matic. Even though the name would suggest it is a joke on the fact the watch is automatic so you have to shake it to get it going, it is actually inspired by a Hong Kong beach called Shek-o. Regardless of the name, the watch is inspired by skin divers of the 60s, and it is recreating that design quite well. The case is a very simple tonneau type with simple lines and quite a long lug-to-lug of 50mm, despite having a 39mm case size. This makes it almost too big for my small 6.7-inch wrist. Luckily, the bracelet uses U-shaped end links, meaning the lug-to-lug of the watch is also the total lug-to-lug of the bracelet. But even like this, the bracelet does break at a larger angle than I would like. So if you have a smallish wrist, I would suggest switching to the supplied Cordura strap, as it helps in making the watch wear smaller and it gives an even more vintage look. The case and bracelet are made of titanium, with almost everything being bead blasted and with only hints of polished finish on the undersides of both the bezel and caseback. I personally like bead blasted and brushed finishes, as they tend to handle scratches better than polished ones. And with bead blasted cases, it seemed the more that you damage them, the better they look. This thing being titanium, it will probably pick up scratches quicker than if it was stainless steel, so a bead blasted finish is actually perfect. The bezel is sloped just the way I like it, but thanks to a thin pronounced grip, it is extremely easy to grip and operate, unlike the one on Orient Mako for example. It comes with 120 clicks, which are very smooth and soft but precise. They only loomed the triangle at 12, which was the right move in my opinion, as looming the whole bezel would make it modern instead of vintage. The crystal used is a boxed sapphire, which makes it appear as if it is acrylic, but will probably be scratch-free for the life of the watch. To help with reflections, they did apply the AR coating on the inside only, just the way I like it, and underneath is a very simple and easy to read dial. It has applied stick markers with printed numerals at 12, 6, and 9, which are all loomed. The hands are pencil style and are long enough to reach to their designated markers, and I especially like the gold-colored seconds hand that adds a bit of flair to a simple design, and the trapezoid date aperture, which is not only a departure to the usual rectangle, but it also works better with the triangles at 6, 9, and 12. All the printing and the markers seem crisp and well finished, with no visible quality issues, especially to the naked eye. Overall, the fit and finish on this watch is pretty good. If there are things I would change, and here I'm nitpicking, I would probably get rid of the additional markers on the chapter ring, as I find them unnecessary, even though they do increase the dial visually. And also the gold-plated crown. I know it is there to complement the gold seconds hand, but I'm always wary of coated materials in places that get wear and tear. I'm worried it will look unattractive if you eat away through the plating over the years. But like I said, that's me nitpicking. Now the watch is powered by a Seiko NH35 movement that beats away at 21,600 bph and comes with both hacking and hand winding, so a pretty standard movement for a new and emerging micro brand. The retail price of these will be $529, which honestly is quite high considering the movement used. I know it's down to the titanium case, but still, for me personally, it is high. However, if you're interested in the watch, joining their Kickstarter campaign drops the price to $329, and at that price, it is more than fair considering what you get. So if you like it, my advice is to get it that way. Well, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed and found it useful. If you did, please like and subscribe, and until the next video, bye.